Starting with the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Respectable sir and all my brothers, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Today I am in front of you, and today I will talk about life is colorless without friends. Respectable sir and my brothers, you know that we all are surviving, we all are thriving. Without friends, none is a human being called. Without friends, a person will be called as a maid. Maids who doesn't know that what is world. If we know that this is world and this world is for us, if we are knowing this one, we are recognizing, we have to keep friendship and we have to be as a friend with our friends. Now there are many kinds of friends. Some friends are who are from the Allah Almighty, as gifted as the mother, father and brother, sisters. They are our friends. They are our sincere friends in our life. And one are who are our friends in this world, as whatever we are keeping friendship with our friends. You know that if a person, if a child who is born in the world, if even he is blind, but mother and father, they will accept this thing that he is my son, he is my daughter, she is my daughter, he is my brother, they will accept. Now another relation of friendship is that when we will keep friendship with our friends in society, we will find the friends who are in our category. We will see the category, which kind of a person I am and which kind of person this person is. You know that in a class there are two type of students are. Some are naughty and some are who are the sincere with their study with the teachers. Who are sincere, they will always listen to their teachers. Who are naughty, they will always make the noise and they will highlight the bad habits of each other. And who are sincere, they will just keep quiet and they will listen carefully. If a student who is sincere, he had not gotten explanation of a teacher, he will ask from his that sincere other friend that what sir had told, what sir had said, please teach me. When he will ask, that friend will sincerity and with obligatory he will teach him. No problem, if you had not learned, I will teach you. I am telling you, I am explaining this topic. And if a naughty, when a naughty student, he will ask from a naughty, he will that naughty student, he will make the joke on that topic. That wow, where you were, your mind was not there. I had learned. I am this person, I am that person. Why should I tell you? Even he had not learned correctly, even he himself doesn't know what sir had told, what sir had explained. Now it depends on us that what I am in category. If a person who is sincere, when he will keep friendship with those who are sincere with their teachers, with their studies, they will guide us and we will be called the best friends and the best student also. You know that mostly there in the school, their teachers are celebrating awards as a best student award. You know that naughty student can get the award as a position holder, but naughty students he cannot get award as a best student because he is naughty. How he can get? When teacher will see his habits, his behavior, his manner, his talking way, then he will say that you are the best student of this month or this year. That is the category which we are keeping in our mind, and we are keeping in with our friends. Now, another thing is in our friendship that when we are facing difficulties, none will recognize, none will ask from us that how you are surviving, why you are here, why you are on the road. None will ask. If a person who is our friend, he will suddenly he will ask from us that why you are here. He cannot help, but he will ask from us that why you are here. What's wrong with you? Why you are on the road in the night time? What's problem? He will ask. When he will ask from us, even we are angry with our family members. For that we are in the on the road. When we will share our that matters with that our friend, he will guide us. That no problem. You should come with me. You should stay in my home. You should stay in our guest room. Why should I leave you on the road? You are my friend. Even he he will not give as much help, but he will ask from us. That is the friendship. My half depression will be decreased. My half depression will be decreased. My half angerness will be removed, and I will think that if I am going here, if I am agree to go, I am agree to stay night on my friend. Why I am angry from my family members? I should go. I should go to my family members. They are my family members. They will forgive me, and they will not say me even a single word. That is the friendship. That is the way. If we don't know friendship, none will ask. We have to pass our life on the roads. None will ask. There will be no any shadow. There will be no any way without alone. And according to my opinion, that in this world, none is here who is living without friendship. If there is, that person would be called as a mad person, as a mad people. Now, how we can see that he is our best friend, he is the good person, he is a good student, he is good teacher, he is good neighborhood. When we will be communicate, then we will know. When we will talk, when we will visit with him, then we will know that what's behavior of this person, how this teacher is teaching to students, how this policeman is doing his duty. When we will see, when we will walk, when we will recognize, then we will know that which category we should choose. And among them there are a lot of who are sincere and who are punctual. We have to keep friendship with them, and we have to be as a sincere with ourselves. First we have to keep a friendship with ourselves, that without me there is none who will guide me. Yourself we can guide, ourselves we can guide to us, none will guide us. First we have to keep this thing. If we are facing any difficulty, we have to think that I have to solve my problem. Why should I ask from anyone? Because I am owner of myself, and I am best friend of myself. So these are my some points which were shared by me in front of you.